I just got my very first paycheck. I was so excited. $2,800 a month offer. I felt like I had finally made it. I opened the app and I saw $2,013. Wait, what? $787 just gone? I literally thought there was a mistake. I texted my mom. I was panicking. Surely this was a mistake. So mom said, "Welcome to adulting." That was it. No explanation. So I spent the entire weekend researching where my money went. And then I found it. I finally understood exactly where it all goes. More importantly, I found out how to legally get some of it back. Stay till the end, and the last tip could put hundreds back in your pocket. Okay, let's break down a real paycheck together. $3,000 gross. Line 1, federal income tax. At 12%, that's $360 gone right away. Social Security, 6.2%. This funds benefits for retired Americans. On $3,000 a month, that's $186 going to Social Security alone. Medicare, 1.45%, that's $43.50 for healthcare for people over 65. Together, these are called FICA, 7.65% of every dollar you earn, no exceptions. State tax depends where you live. California, 5%, Texas and Florida, 0%. High tax state could cost you $100 or more extra every single month. Add it all up, you could lose $700 to $900 every single month. $3,000 promised, $2,013 received. This is America's paycheck reality. But here's what changed everything. Some of this I could actually control. Your employer also pays 7.65% FICA on top of your salary. You never see it. Your employer pays more than your salary to hire you. Mind-blowing, right? Your paycheck might also deduct health insurance, 401k, and HSA contributions. Some deductions actually save you money. These are the good kind. Okay, I need to tell you something that completely blew my mind. For every FICA dollar you pay, your employer pays the exact same amount. A health insurance deductions, went pre-tax, that means you're actually saving money. 401k contributions, they reduce your taxes and your employer may match them. HSA, the only triple tax-free account in the entire U.S. tax code. Triple tax-free, in, growth, and out. It doesn't get better than that. So here are my 3 legal tricks to keep more of your own money. 3 tricks, all completely legal, all available to you right now. Trick 1, fix your W-4. Most people fill it out wrong on day 1. Most people just check a box and move on. Big mistake. Here's why. Go to irs.gov and use their free withholding estimator tool. It takes 5 minutes. A big tax refund sounds good, but it means you overpaid all year long. I adjusted my W-4 and got $80 extra every month. That's $960 a year I was giving away. Trick 2, contribute to your 401k. Even a little changes everything. Put in $200, only feel $140 less. The tax savings cover the difference. And if your employer matches, that's a 50 to 100% instant return, free money. Trick 3, use your HSA. This is the most underused account in America. If your employer offers a high deductible health plan, you qualify for an HSA. Tax-free going in, tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawal, that's the triple threat. Even $50 a month into an HSA saves you money on taxes today. Start small. Quick recap, taxes take your money, but W-4, 401k, and HSA give some back. Nobody teaches us this in school. That's literally why Nina Explained exists. If this helped you, hit subscribe. New Finance Explained videos every week. Next week, why your tax refund might actually be bad news. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching Nina Explained. See you in the next one.